This foam used to be wasabi powder. We are going to show you what happens when you combine the art of cooking with the smarts of science, a little thing called molecular gastronomy. Today I'm going to make a pan-seared tuna with a wasabi foam. To make the wasabi foam, you need rice wine vinegar, water, lecithin, and wasabi. For the tuna, I'm going to use an ahi tuna that I'll season with salt and pepper and pan-sear on an induction burner. We'll start our tuna over here. These are pretty neat. They don't get hot to the touch. I can touch the burner just about at any time, but they heat up incredibly fast, and it's all done using magnetic fields. So that'll start searing right off the bat. And while it's cooking, we'll start to make the sauce over here. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some cold water. Lecithin stabilizes liquids that are cold.
Lecithin is a phospholipid that comes from soy or egg yolks. It is used in candy bars to separate butters from cocos and for stabilizing cold liquids like foams.
So if you try to do it with a hot liquid, it's not really going to work. This is some rice wine vinegar. Then I'm adding powdered wasabi and some of the lecithin. All right, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend it with a hand blender to incorporate a lot of air into it. All right, once it's nice and frothy like this, we can just turn it off and let it sit for a minute. And you have to let it sit so the foam will rise to the top and the liquid will remain at the bottom. So in the meantime, I'm going to make the base to this dish, which is going to be a salad that's made out of napa cabbage, cucumbers, carrots, daikon radish, and red pepper. So we'll just dress this with a little bit of dressing, and then we're going to toss it, and then we're going to build our plate. So the salad, I want to try to make it stand up kind of tall, because that'll look good for the end result. So our tuna is just about ready here, nicely seared. Now our foam is kind of separated out. See how it's separated out? And what I want to do is gently lift off the very top layer, and that's the actual foam part. It's stabilized, so it's not going to, fade away. Foams are kind of cool because what you can do is incorporate a whole lot of flavor. It doesn't need to be a big puddle of sauce on the plate. It'll kind of adhere to the protein a little bit, and it's just a little bit different. It's not the typical thing you see. Now I'm going to put a little bit of, these are wasabi sesame seeds on this as well. And then I'm just going to garnish it with a little bit of snow pea shoots. And there you have it, the pan-seared tuna with a wasabi foam.
It's not hypothetical. Amazing flavors are a direct result of lab coat cooking.